In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PDF on your Ecwid store. This is a valuable feature if you're looking to provide your customers with downloadable resources, instructions, or additional product information directly from your store. Let's dive right into the steps and make your store more informative and engaging. First, you need to go to your Ecwid control panel. This is the dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your store. To access the control panel, log into your Ecwid account. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of options to manage your store's settings, products, and orders. Now that you're in the control panel, the next step is to click on Catalog. The Catalog section is where you manage all your product listings. It allows you to add new products, manage existing ones, and organize your inventory. It's important to remember that this is also where you can modify product details, so take advantage of this feature to enhance your listings. Once in the catalog, select Products. This is your gateway to every product you have listed in your store. By clicking here, you can view all your products, sort them by various criteria, and make updates as necessary. It's conveniently organized and easy to navigate, ensuring you can efficiently manage your product offerings. Now you're going to click on Add New Product. This button will allow you to create a new product listing where you can attach your PDF file. When you click on it, a new product form will appear. Here, you'll be able to input all the necessary details about your new product, such as the name, price, and description. Make sure to fill out all relevant fields to provide your customers with as much information as possible. After setting up your new product, find the Files section in the product form. Clicking on Files is crucial because here is where you'll be able to upload your PDF file directly to the product listing. This feature is fantastic for offering product manuals, installation guides, or even eBooks. All you need to do is simply upload the desired PDF from your computer. Once uploaded, this file will be available for your customers to download whenever they view the product. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a PDF on your Ecwid store. Now, every time a customer navigates to this specific product, they'll have the option to download your PDF file, making their experience more informative and seamless. Always remember to check the file after uploading to ensure it's displaying correctly and is accessible to your customers. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has empowered you to enhance your Ecwid store with valuable content. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips to optimize your online business. Keep exploring anything you